today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a layer in Photopea. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone who's dabbled a bit with this online photo editing tool, I'll guide you step by step through the process. So let's dive into Photopea together. First things first, we'll begin by launching Photopea. To do this, go to your preferred web browser and type in Photopea. This is a fantastic, free online tool that mimics many of the features found in Adobe Photoshop. If you're working on a project or editing photos, it's incredibly handy, especially if you need something quick without downloading any software. Once you're on the Photopea site, you'll want to open the specific project you're working on or start a new one if you're experimenting. For those new to this tool, Photopea's interface is user-friendly, and it closely resembles Photoshop, so adjusting to it shouldn't be too challenging. You'll see that the layout includes panels for layers, tools, and properties. The panel we'll focus on today is the Layer panel, located on the right side. Now let's say you've got a layer that's locked and you'd like to unlock it. Locked layers can sometimes restrict your editing capabilities, preventing you from making certain changes. Hence, unlocking it is a crucial step if you want more control over your project. Look closely at the right side where your layers are displayed. You'll notice a small lock icon next to your layer's name. This lock indicates that the layer is currently locked. To unlock your layer, it's as simple as can be. Just click on the lock icon. Yes, a single click on that lock icon is all it takes. Once you've clicked it, you'll notice the lock icon disappears, meaning your layer is now unlocked and ready for editing. You can now move, modify, or apply any effects to your layer as needed. And that's it. Unlocking a layer in Photopea is incredibly straightforward, yet it's such a useful skill to know, especially when you're engrossed in a creative project and need the flexibility to make changes seamlessly. This little trick can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow smooth. Before we wrap up, I'd like to encourage you to explore Photopea's other features if you haven't already. This tool is packed with powerful editing capabilities. From brush tools to filters, there's so much to discover and experiment with. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Now you're a step ahead on your Photopea journey. Keep practicing and experimenting, and soon enough, you'll navigate these tools like a pro. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out my other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy editing!